What's going on, mother truckers? So New Jersey just made this announcement right now. All I have to say is all you truck drivers going through New Jersey or hauling to New Jersey, you need to raise your rate 3% more. And the reason why is because they're raising the toll 3% more. Now, they have this rule. Of course, I don't know who makes up these rules, but they have this rule where every year, if there's some kind of economic problem, they're allowed to raise the rent 3%. So that doesn't sound like a lot, but this is where it should piss you off. 16 months ago, they raised the Turnpike by 36%, the Atlantic City Expressway 37%, the Parkway 27%. And the reason why they've been raising it like crazy is because they have this 10-year plan for this infrastructure for the roads there. And I'm sorry to say, New Jersey roads suck as it is, so I don't know where this money is going. But a 10-year plan that's going to cost $24 billion. Just raise the rent, the tolls 3% just for truck drivers. It's for everyone as a whole. But as truck drivers, this impacts us greatly. So, mother truckers, I guess starting January 1st, you need to raise the rent up. Any freight you take, you need to ask for 3% more on top of whatever you're asking for now. I tried to talk to the New Jersey Turnpike spokesman, but I left a message. He hasn't reached back to me. But Tom, if you get my message, please reach back. I want to know why you feel like it's an economic decision that you need 3% more when you guys are raised at 27 and 37% more just a year ago. So I need to hear that. But mother truckers, anyone going through New Jersey, raise the rent, the freight. Don't take cheap freight, of course, but now it's going to cost the consumer an extra 3%. That's all I got to say.